In this video, I am going to talk about a competition where you can win cash prize. This competition is all about Technical Scriptor Event 2020 by GeeksforGeeks. So let's know details about this competition. Basically, it is a technical scriptor event, so where you will have to write and submit technical blogs or articles based on any topic in the computer science world, like trending technologies, programming languages, etc. So the event date is 20 October 2020 to 19th January 2021. So here you can see topics to write on. You can select any of these topics. Topics are like algorithm, data structure, competitive programming, programming languages C, C++, Java, programming, C#, Perl, Ruby, Scala, Go, machine learning, big data, hood of data science, computer science subjects, tech tips, tricks, Linux hacks, secure coding, technical blogs, design-based article, cracking technical interviews, Android, school learning. These are the topic, so you can write written up on this topic. So let's know why actually you should participate here in this competition, as you will be required to study the topic or subject in depth before writing the technical scriptor event. Hence, it will surely enhance your knowledge and provide you the expertise in particular niche. The top 50 participants of the technical scriptor event will also get the internship opportunity at GeeksforGeeks. And in the end, the thing which will matter more than the prizes is the utmost experience and exposure you would gain from the event. So you already got why actually you should participate here. Now let's talk about the prizes that you can win from here. Here you can see first prize, 10,000 cash prize plus GeeksforGeeks goodies bag plus certificate plus in-office internship opportunity plus 500 off coupon valid on all courses. Second prize, 7,500 cash prize plus GeeksforGeeks goodies bag certificate in-office internship. Then the third prize, you will gain 5,000 cash prize and as well as the other gift. Fourth prize, 2,000 cash prize. Fifth prize, 2,000 cash prize and other gifts. And 6 to 10 prize, GeeksforGeeks bags in office internship opportunity and 500 off coupon. 11 to 50 prize, only goodies, 2 pens, 1 GeeksforGeeks sticker in office internship. And here you will get assured reward, goodie, 2 pens, 1 GeeksforGeeks sticker and 500 off coupon valid on all courses. So here you need to look at each participant who manages to publish at least one article will be rewarded. If you publish at least one article, then they will reward you. And here is one note, the cash prize are not applicable for the participants outside India. If you're the participant from India, then you will get your cash prizes. Now let's see how to submit your article. Here you can see has one link. So okay, you just need to simply click here. If you click here, then here you will get this page. Then you need to click here again, technical scriptor. When you click here, then here again you will get this login register page. Then you just need to simply register here. So you can register here using your Google account. Then here you will get this page to complete your profile. After completing this profile, then you need to click here submit. Okay, then here you can see that this is the place where you will write your own article. But there's one thing, if you are confused or don't have any topic to write on, then you need to click here this link. Then they will suggest you topic to write down. Then you will get this page here. You need to pick for technical scripture, then they will give you topic. So, and one thing is important, you need to bear in mind, you need to have the unique article, because any plagiarism detected in the article will disqualify you from the event. So try to write down your own article. So check the video description to get the link of this event.